Jack H6 top and bottom feeding computerized lockstitch machine for heavy duty, accurate needle stitch and strong feeding. It has newly upgraded appearance, German technology, clear lines, sharp edges and corners, and more powerful functions. The upper shaft, vertical shaft, lower shaft, and other apertures are processed and formed with higher precision in one time. The core parts such as bushings, gears, presser feet, thread take-up levers are selected for use. It has higher precision, lighter sound, more stable sewing, effectively reduces problems such as stitch skipping and thread breakage, etc. Accurate needle stitch. H6 uses the stepping motor to control the stitch length, eliminating the traditional stitch length adjustment knob, which can be adjusted directly on the panel. Intuitive and convenient. The stitch length is accurate to 0.1 millimeters, and the accuracy is higher without worrying about the uneven length of the stitch. According to different process requirements, it can also achieve 10 millimeter large needle length. H6 directly uses the touch button to replace the back stitch wrench. Just press the button to realize the perfect reverse stitch easily. Users also can quickly switch to the second stitch gauge according to their needs, and realize half stitch length with one key. It can also realize the function of condensed stitch lock to ensure short thread remaining, and it does not come loose. H6 also overcomes the industry problem of large reverse stitch noise, keeps you away from the back tap noise, and gives you a quiet and comfortable working environment. Strong feeding. It presents perfect sewing quality for seat cushions, bags, swivel chairs, leather, gloves, fabrics, etc. The sewing speed can be up to 2,200 SPM, top and bottom synchronous feeding, 750 W power motor, super strong feeding ability, while sewing 8 layers of leather also achieve beautiful stitches. H6 also has a pattern sewing function, which can edit various pattern stitches according to different process requirements to meet your individual needs. The new generation of H6, top and bottom feeding computerized lock stitch machine for heavy duty, has functions of one key reset, one shaft design, cooling fan, USB interface, etc., and also inherits the core values of Jack's speaking, no thread ends trimming, and meanwhile IoT function is optional. Perfect and intimate technical design, rich in aesthetic line dimensions. Just think whatever you can think. It has extraordinary charm.